you can also do the video version of blog, which is to have your own YouTube channel. Now, Yvonne's daughter has her own YouTube channel. A kid of
Yeah.
9 years old has her own YouTube channel. So what are you waiting
She's
for,
8.
man? Well, she's
She's
8.
8.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
8 years old and she has a YouTube channel. So what are you waiting for? Okay, so just an example that I would like to point out. I actually came across people who really love music. But if you love music, doesn't mean that you have to be like super famous teacher, to be able to share your music content online. I've seen a lot of people who regularly produce relaxing musics or their own musics and then they post online to help other people relax and also listen and enjoy. And they don't show their faces. The beauty of it is they simply just put some animation there and let it replay and replay and replay again sometimes. Okay, that's one. Second thing is sometimes maybe they sing something live, then they just record themselves. It could be the song or a cover song that they did themselves, and then they post it there. For YouTube algorithm is that the longer your content is, the longer people watch, the more watch time you have, the earlier you can monetize. And the longer play time that you have, the more ads that you can insert. So this is just a direct ads that's being paid by YouTube. But YouTube being YouTube, YouTube is just a platform. So you can build your audience on YouTube, that's one. But you also need to bear the risk of social media one day removing your content or banning your site, for example. Because one of my YouTubers actually, my favorite YouTubers actually face this threat as well. So you may want to actually, while building it, you may also want to build something else like your email list, like your affiliate, which actually we're going to talk about it later. All right. But first thing, if you want to get the building traction and all that, you need to start somewhere, which we were telling you that you can start a YouTube channel yourself. So this is actually one of my favorite YouTubers as well. And she literally shared things about how you can start a YouTube channel, how you can upload your video, what's the algorithm that you got to watch out, what is the minutes that you should actually do for YouTube content, what's the title that you should do, how to edit your video, every single thing about YouTube, you can go and look her up. Her name is Catherine Manning. Okay, so what she actually said is that it's just like what Eddie and Eldon said as well. Starting a YouTube channel is like starting a long-term business. Okay, you want to actually create content that is evergreen, that is very relevant to people from time to time. Okay, because evergreen content will attract cumulative audience. If one were to tell people how to speak simple Japanese, don't you think it's an evergreen content?
Definitely.
Yeah, like because you have people who constantly wouldn't know how to speak Japanese, they will definitely search this content out if they need the help. So what if whenever people need help, they search you up and then you get more audience over the time, not just 1 year, 2 years, but many, many years to come. So that is the intention. Okay, as long as your content is relevant, it is evergreen.
I would say it's like a legacy as well.
Yeah, correct. It's like educating your next gen about it.
Yeah.
Come to here. Okay, because the same lady that I was actually pointing out just now, right? Her name is Catherine Manning. She has so many affiliate marketing and her own services and her own product. Because one thing that she emphasized is that if you are a new YouTuber, you need to start building your own product or your own paid products or your affiliate from day one itself. It is okay if you only have 1 or 2 products. You need to start building it. Okay, as you can see, right? She has her content calendar template, blueprint, her mobile preset. The mobile preset I actually went to see is basically like those filter, like how to make your YouTube thumbnail on certain filter that she already filtered herself and she created herself to make the convenience out of it for all the audience. Okay, and the blog, she has an ebook teaching people how to start things like that. So it is very related to her content as well. And some people who really want to support her will definitely buy her product. And she even will share about the gadgets that she used. I'm sure every one of us who are content creators, we definitely have a webcam, we have a mic with us, we have probably the phone, the device to record. Maybe it's like me and Yvonne, we always use the softwares. Why not you share the affiliate link, about all these gadgets, right? It can be also done that way. And you see the tools and services that I use, all these things. Share a sale is a very famous affiliate link. Yeah, but the prerequisite that she always emphasizes that you got to bring traffic to your YouTube channel, or else nobody is actually going to buy your things, right? So you got to be creating something very valuable when it comes to the content. So this is her. Okay, when she was talking about her affiliate marketing, right, she revealed that her total income for 2020 was USD $206. Her first year, she was suffering because her the audience actually have not grown as much, and it was slowly building. Actually, the first year she was doing it very consistently, but she was suffering because the income wasn't stable, and she didn't leave her job. She was still on her 9 to 5. So the first year she was suffering. So she started to see something boom up because she was using SEO all along. And then on the second year, YouTube decided to promote not only her one of her videos but her own whole channel altogether, because they realized that she always used very strong SEO and things like that, and she could start to see her videos, start to have more and more views, and that's when the paid ads from YouTube actually paid her quite a bit, and she also started to grow more paid products and affiliate marketing. Okay, she actually broke it down. Out of the 200,000, she mentioned that this is before tax. As a US citizen, they got to pay really high tax. So she said the 90,000 is the gross from YouTube channel. So one thing that she wanted to point out is that, yeah, YouTube pays me 90,000, but I actually went to build my affiliate marketing from the day one itself. So, and even my paid products. Okay, so that's why that actually generated more money compared to the YouTube ads. Yeah. And that is actually one thing that you want to take note on. Today, if you're so famous, you got to take note on how to make your fame to generate more income. Now, that is actually the power of leveraging. Yeah. One stream can come from a YouTube. How about having another stream from affiliate marketing, another stream from a paid product, right? So that's why her advice is always think that don't wait until your YouTube channel is famous enough to be your affiliate. You should actually build it straight away from now, right? If you're not sure, study with one or two, because the YouTube channel, your content, you can always edit the write-up and add more stuff later on. Yeah. Okay, so this is actually before she summed up her 12 months, right? She did another video before the during the interim to show you her 8 months breakdown lah. So in fact, you can see here, her affiliate marketing, right, is actually the most, 44,000 USD. Okay, Google ads, which is her YouTube ads, is 37,000, and her own product income is almost 25,000. She also mentioned one thing: you can use your time to create your own product. Okay, always, if you really want to have less hassle, you can create a digital product that can be sold over and over again with an automated system, because affiliate income may stop if the platforms decided to stop the affiliate system, but your own paid product is what belongs to you. That's why you want to make sure that it's always there. Okay, and she actually made it a point that this is actually a new way of you earning income without you starting a active business. Yeah, because it's actually so convenient to reach out to people these days by just you going live like that, right? So why be afraid? Okay, for those of you who are very okay to make video content, really go ahead with it. Another side hustle that you can think of is, this one is actually not directly related, but it's also somehow related, is how to market your online guide. Now, have you all tried Googling a guide before you tried using some product? Like for me, many months ago when salons were still closed, I actually bought the hair dye. I have no idea how to dye it. I actually went to Google how to dye my hair using this product guide. Okay, how to put makeup on your face guide, how to use the software guide, how to use a printer. I also actually went to search, right? So all this guide, have you tried searching before, Yvonne?
Definitely, it's like on a daily basis, right here.
It's like how to video, right?
The how to, right? Yeah, it's a how to every day. Today also I searched something on how to as well. Every day almost.
Okay. So this is actually very similar to YouTube educational video. So this one is very focused into guiding people on how to finish a task. Like for example, how to cook kung po chicken. Okay. How to use a printer, for example. Because why I actually search how to use a printer, how to use is that printer okay? It's because I want to buy a printer. So if People search your content, whether it's a blog, whether it's a video, and you give people the guide, the step-by-step guide. People want to spy, you can insert the link down there. Maybe it's an affiliate link, maybe it's your own product link, right? Then people can buy from there. So the more you actually post the guide on, maybe you're the printer niche, you are the music niche, you are the food niche, then you slowly become the niche expert. And if more guide videos or articles are being produced, then people every time they want a guidance, right, they will go to you. Okay, this is how you promote yourself.
Really
It's a
one actually
guidance.
it's about niche thing, right? It's very funny one because it's like you if you want to go to cook Korean, it's definitely mangchi. I don't know, for me it's definitely mangchi. Any one of you know mangchi? So Korean food, mangchi. Japanese food, cooking with dogs. You know, it's like it's very
It's like you
their
already know
brand.
where to go.
Yeah, their brand is so their channel is so powerful that you only will when you want that thing, right, you only go to that particular channel to search for stuff. So yeah, it's if you can really if everyone can start building that kind of powerful, you know, it's more powerful than advertising on anywhere else. Do you think I can say like everyone can be a celebrity now?
Everyone, I wouldn't say the word celebrity, but I would say that everyone can be your own KOL. Because KOL stand
Mm,
for key opinion leader. As long
mm,
as you are the niche in your niche, you are the expert in your niche, you are
mm,
just being truthful to your own content. Like, yeah. Okay, so coming back to it, I know the title is a bit small, but you can see that the title of this person who's talking, it says that how to start a YouTube channel. Beginner's guide to YouTube's growing from 0 subscribers. Now you can do something like that if you have been through. You don't have to show yourself as an expert. You don't have to have millions of subscribers or followers, but you can tell people how to start. Because very simple guidance will actually go a long way. I'm going to show you something very crazy later. Okay, and the second thing is now you see, same person, how to edit videos for YouTube beginner's guide to iMovie or my updated video editing process. So she's very smart. She just simply while editing one of her videos, she just shoot her process. So she get another content like that, the process of it, right? How to do it, things like that. So the how to is actually very, very important, very simple to people as well.